And today my dream is to become a race car driver. So guys, this person's hopping in my car, which I'm just going to drive into a random point, like the van. Get rid of the vehicle, don't follow me. I'll just have to teleport to a house. Yeah, I've got all the racetrack things, because if you press on the man face, it's down here, it says Brookhaven racing with cars. And then I'm just going to be doing a race car drive. So follow along with the video to see what I'm going to do as a race car driver. So guys, I just need to turn around because this is the starting point. So guys, what should I follow? I would follow blue, but I think I'm going to follow yellow. So let's follow yellow. I think yellow's this way, is it? I don't know. Yeah, yellow's this way. We need to go up here. And then to the white again. And then go straight down the hill. Through the Bottom Wobby station. Through the car wash. And then under this little cave thing, do a roundy. Go right, then go left. Then just go straight along to the beach. So guys, I'm just going to follow this racetrack around yellow. Then just go down here. Then we're going straight. Oh, we're by the beach as well. But that's not where I wanted to. But let's just do it. If you're wondering why my car's so slow, I accidentally from 40 instead of 70. So I'll just fix that. It's a bit faster, but I still don't have the 200 game pass. So I'm just going to take you on track and then I'm going to spawn in a house once I'm done. Oh, that's a tight one. I nearly got there. Oops. This is tight. Oops, don't want to run them over. Because I don't want to run people. Oh, I nearly done the one bit there. It feels like I'm just going round in a circle. I feel like I've done this bit in the vid, but I don't know. I'm just going to follow where it says yellow. No, I don't think I have, because I didn't go by this house. So let's just turn left here. Don't worry, I got the corner, it's fine. And then here it is. I finished my lap of yellow. So I'm going to spawn in a house. Watch. So guys, I'm here at my house. House 22. I don't know what house to choose, but I'm just going to choose the one I did for my video. It's this one. And if you don't know, it actually has a sequel that I showed you last video for my house tour. So as you see, I've got the suit on, and I just need to change this house to blue, because that's what it was. And I've also got my blue car as well, so let me park this in the garage. Oh, I can have room for 2 cars in here, but I don't have space. Enough vehicles. Oops, that's not one. I want props so I can disguise this hat. So we have car parts. But I just need to put a stage 2 tab on this thing. So let's just put some car parts here. Stage 1. And Oh, someone's at my door. Who is at my door? Oh. Oh, I'm listening. Who is that? I just went away. I think I scared them off. Well, let's just do my gym. Wait, what if they get the house in front of me? That's very suspicious if they do. Just spray some lights. Brighten this up. Spare tires. Stage 3 turbo. An engine. And car parts. Oh, and another engine. Oh, more tires as well. So that's all my garage, and I just need to open it. I don't want anyone coming in. Oh, I nearly went that person over there. That was close. Oh gosh, I just crashed. Hopefully my car's okay. Oh my gosh, guys, did you see that flip? I'm doing the web path now. Just need to get back to spawn. So I'll meet you there when I'm there. So guys, I'm back here and I'm going to try and follow the red line. So I'm just going to look at the lines and do which ones it tells me. So I'm trying to just say all the red lines if you want to. Where am I even going? Guys, alert just came up on my screen saying someone won my face. I'm going to do this path and then get back because I'm angry with them. Whether they are, I'm robbing their safe. I think it said to come on. So if they have a house, I'm robbing it. I don't even care. So let's just go. Guys, my house. Oh my gosh, guys, they're getting the house right in front of me. Oh, get out my car. They can ride along with me. I don't really care. Oh my gosh, get out of my car. Wait, these are following me everywhere, so I think they're trying to spy on me, but I don't know. So let's just complete the path. Wait, what if they are the one that won? They are the one that won my safe. Please say they got their house, because I'm going to it. I just finished a red path. What is it? They've got the exact same house and car as me. Oh my gosh, they're so annoying. I'm parking in there. Go up. Oh my god. Oh my god. What happened? Wait. Guys, I'll be back in a minute. Guys, they have the same house, car, and the same colour as me. Well, not the exact same blue, but you can say it works. Guys, I think they might be stalking on me or something. Because they've got the exact same bits on. They don't even have the same clothes or the same job. So, I think they're trying to copy me. Just need to get everything correct. So, I'll be back in a minute. Guys, I have a perfect idea. I'm going to try to rob their safe. I need to... They're probably still... So I'm going to try and pick up. Oh. I don't know. Right. They found me! They're so far away from me. Guys, why's my head on the floor? God, I'm getting them back. Come out now. Come here. Come here. Oh my gosh, they can't hear. Guys, they just banned me, but who is this So they're probably going to get into, so I'll just ban them. Guys, this is what I did when I steal their car. Oh, maybe spawned there. That's annoying. Guys, why are they looking at me with binoculars? Guys, I'm trying to hop in their car, but they're too fast. Wait. My hoverboard's faster than their car. Because you need premium. Oh, I don't really want to. Wait, it's not a premium car. I was just trying to hunt them to make them get. Who is this person? Guys, my car's not locked. What are they doing? Ban! Guys, I banned them. I feel really bad, so should I just unban them? Guys, this is really weird. I feel bad, so I'm just going to unban them. And why do they have binoculars looking at me? Wait, they won't be able to be looking at. They won't be able to be looking at me if I'm in my secret room. Guys, I'm not. See, they can't look at me now. Oh, they can't see me. Guys, where have they gone? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to get into their secret. Oh, I actually and an accident. Guys, I'm actually gonna spy. Oh my god, of course you have to follow me. Let me in. I'm just gonna do driving again. I actually think I'm gonna get a very good way driving now. I'm gonna I just set 0.5 so I can still drift. Ooh. Guys, I can drift very well. Because if I just turn the corner, I can drift around and go backwards. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, what are they doing? Wasn't there a sign? Guys, this is dangerous. Oh, their van! Oh, good. I'm going to get a sign out to show them. Good. You're in a bed. Good. You're in a bed. Stop. Spying. Stop spying. Guys. Bye! You can't catch me! No! I think I can drift! Let's say I don't. Get out of my car! That's it. I'm gonna leave my car there and just jump out and teleport to their house. Guys, so cool. Let me see. Oh, I know what to put. Gaming setups. Racing bike. This is so cool, guys. There's a literal gaming setup. Oh no. Where are they, guys? Oh my gosh. That's it. I'm mobbing their thing. Guys, are they like planning this or something? I don't. Oh my god! You are bad. Oh my gosh, guys, they banned me in. What? Are they serious right now, dude? Are they serious? I'm going! Guys, this is so fun. Oh, that's a great drift. Guys, this is so cool! I can drift. I can drift really well. Like, really, really well. Wait, there's a cop here. Gosh, guys. I'm just gonna ride off the edge. I don't even care. Oh my gosh, I flipped my car. Yeah, I can just put my car in the car. Yeah! No. I'm in. How did they get in? No, you're still running. Because you're weird. Why do you even walk like that? Get out. Wow. Oh my god, guys! No. Why is it bad? I know what to do. No, guys, I got it. Wait, I'm just gonna go under the map with them. Till they jump out. Guys, I'm heading under the map until they jump out. Should I go to the highest point and just jump? This is actually gonna be cool. When are they gonna jump? Because I don't want them near me. Guys, should I jump? I'm jumping. And then teleport to my house. No! Stop it! I don't even care I banned you right now. You're ruining my thing. That's it. I'm driving into their house. Why ban you ban? Because you're banning me. Wakey. That's it. I'm setting the house on fire. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, are they actually so fine and ban? Guys, they got in. Guys, actually is a perfect drift. I'm gonna get a new car. Guys, we have 2 supercars. Oh my gosh, this is sick. Should I get this one? That's probably... So I'm gonna get that one. Oh my god! Guys, bye bye! No. Guys, I can't mess around now. Sorry, but I have to. Well, I don't want them catching me. So, I'm scared. What if they're going to be right near me? Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm just going to head back to my house. I don't even care if they're there. I'm just going to chill. Guys, of course they're there. Guys, well, they tried to sneak. No, guys, no, 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 they're gonna. Am I safe? Oh no. No, where did they go? Guys, I need to go now. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.